Hey everybody, welcome. Happy Sunday. Thanks for spending a couple of minutes to check out this video. I'm glad you're here. All I want to do is clarify and give you a little bit more information about what this $2 investment is and how you can potentially earn reoccurring profits from using this strategy. Okay, if you guys don't know me, if this is the first time you're running across one of my videos, Jeff Meheji, here to assist you with making some extra cash online, whether that be with affiliate marketing, selling products and services, or just doing simple tasks to be able to earn some free, fast PayPal cash. Okay. So this particular opportunity is investing $2 to get started with the opportunity to have reoccurring income. And I'm just going to jump right into it. What the heck am I talking about? For those of you who have seen this landing page that we're on, this is a simple landing page that I created to get people to take advantage of this opportunity if they were interested. So basically what I did, I created this page. It says invest $2 and earn reoccurring profits. Start here. And then if you scroll down here at the bottom a little bit, it says, I want the $2 funnel. Get this email out of here. All you have to do is put your email in here, submit it, and you are redirected to the $2 funnel once you do that. So this is a simple landing page, squeeze page, lead page, whatever you want to call it. There's so many names out there, but this page is very simple to create. And the purpose of this page is to be able to get leads. Once you enter your email here in this section and submit it, you're able to capture an email address that you can follow up with in the future with other offers that may benefit that person. Okay, so that's the point of this. But the $2 funnel we're talking about, once you enter your information and get there, the page looks like this. Newbie friendly method reveals how to make $286 plus today with just 30 minutes of work. Okay. Now this product was created by Fergal Downs. Fergal Downs, he's an internet marketer, creates a bunch of products and services and markets them so that way people who need these products and services can purchase, make life easy, accomplish goals and objectives, and he makes money. And that's what he does. And a lot of people do the same thing. So I wanted to explain this product so that once you land here, you understand what it is you're getting, how everything's going to work together. He's put together this quick video here. Feel free to watch it and get some more information about it. And when you scroll down a little bit further, you see where it says click here to try for $2. 7 days for $2, then $17 a month. This is the part I wanted everybody to really focus on so that they understand. I don't want anyone purchasing this product with the hopes of spending $2 and earning reoccurring income simply for just a $2 spend. It's $2 for 7 days, and then it's $17 a month. It's like a reoccurring $17 subscription or membership, if you will. Now I'll explain that to you because some people might be asking themselves right now, wait a minute, this sounds a little bit tricky. Like they're trying to tell me $2 to get me signed up. And the next thing you know, it's $17 a month. It's exactly what it is. It's $2 to get you signed up because it's a low barrier of entry. Everybody has $2. Everybody has 8 quarters. But again, when you look at it, 17 bucks a month, everybody has that too. Let me not say that. Most people have that. And if you're one of the people that are saying, you know what, man, I'm struggling. I don't have 17 bucks a month. You know what I mean? Chances are you can find a way to make 17 bucks and invest it if that's something that you wanted to do to be able to make reoccurring income. This could be something that you do. And if you're watching this, then you have internet access, you have a computer, a smartphone, a laptop, something where you can actually create a video and share with other people as well. So there's no excuses. Make the time and get the work done. But I just want you to understand that it's 7 days for $2, then 17 bucks a month. And this is crucial, you know, as you'll see when we move forward to explain how this system actually works and what you're getting, what you're buying for $2 or what you're paying for 17 bucks a month. Okay. But this is the landing page that you're going to get onto and it's going to go over, again, what the product is in a little bit more detail. Once you decide that, okay, $2 is something that I have, and if, I make some money in the first 7 days, then cool, I've only spent $2 and I've made some money. Good stuff. If you feel like $17 is something that's affordable and you can definitely do that a month, then this is something that I would advise you to take action on right now and start promoting, because it's a simple system. I'm going to break it down to you right now. This is the landing page. Once you click on this, you go through the process of purchasing whatever products might be presented to you. At the end of it, once you're done and you end up in the members area, it'll look something like this. And you can see you're logged in to the 24-Hour Profit members area. Welcome and congratulations. Start by watching this introductory video. We're not going to watch the introductory video right now, but you can see it's 1 minute and 50 seconds long. It's just a short video introducing the creator of the product, and he's going to go over how he put everything together and what he expects you to get out of it and things of that nature. However, once you click here to start the 24-hour profits now, you will be redirected to a page that looks like this. And this page is the actual training area for 24-hour profits. As you can see, 24-hour profits training videos, lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3, lesson 4, lesson 5, lesson 6, lesson 7, lesson 8, lesson 9, lesson 10. There's 10 lessons altogether. And let me let you know, all these videos that you're seeing here, the 10 lessons, they're not very long videos. So you can watch them, digest the information very quickly, and understand what the next step is for you and what you need to do in order to start making money online with this product and with the system that it teaches you. So I've been dibbling and dabbling with affiliate marketing for some time now. So a lot of these steps, I breeze through them very quickly. And again, for the beginner who's looking to learn some of these tips and strategies to be able to profit online, you're going to be able to move through these pretty quickly as well. But once you get through the entire video, all you're going to need really is to take action and get to work. So what you're going to get is an affiliate link, and that affiliate link is something that you can promote to friends, family, anybody who's interested in earning some money. And you can be as creative as you want to, but with that creativity, you just don't want to mislead, misinform, or make people believe that they're getting something that they're not. So that's exactly why I'm doing this video, so that I could really clarify what you're getting with the 24-hour profit system. And if it's something that you're interested in, then you know what you're getting before you dive in. Okay. Again, it's a $2 investment, but the $2 investment turns into a $17 a month subscription after that's done. Now, what does that subscription allow you to do? Over here, we are on Warrior Plus. Warrior Plus is a platform where marketers produce products, list them on this platform. Affiliate marketers and vendors work together to make sales and make money. That's basically what it is. So Fergal Downs, the creator of this product, has put it on Warrior Plus as a private offer, meaning you cannot promote this product unless you are invited and given the special link to promote the product. Now, the way that you get your link is by investing $2 into the system so that you can understand what the system is, how it works, and also get a link so that you can promote the system to other people who may be interested. Now, the screen you're looking at, this is the unique link that's been given to me. When you scroll down here, this is what I wanted you guys to get an idea of what's happening. 24-Hour Profit Pro is a $2 product that pays 100% commission. And then 24-Hour Profit one-time offer number 1 is $9. And again, when you go through the process of purchasing the product, you'll see what each one of these offers is. And if it's something that you're interested in, you'll be able to purchase it and take advantage of it. If it's not something that you're interested in, then you can say no thank you and just move on. But this is basically how everything works. This is how you'll be able to make money. These funnels have already been created. Once you get your affiliate link, like I said here, all you do is promote that link and it takes people through this funnel system here. And anytime somebody purchases anything like you see here, these numbers represent the commission and how much you would receive in the percentage. So you can see 100%, 100%, 100%, 100%, 100%, 50, 50, and 100%. So if anybody that you promote your link to decides to invest $2 and then $17 a month after that, this is the funnel that you're going to take them through. And if they purchase anything, you can see how much you're going to make. It's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. So that's why I wanted to break this down so you guys really understand what's going on and you can see how you're able to generate income. Okay. Now, what I want to talk about with this so that you guys don't get confused, again, just because you land on this page and you get through it does not mean that you're going to generate $286 today, like it says right here. The way that you can generate the money that they're claiming to generate in just 30 minutes of work is if you have a list. What do I mean by a list? A list of people that you could send this to and say, hey, I found an opportunity you might be really interested in checking out. And 9 times out of 10, the people on this list are people who are interested in making money online. So they may be interested in investing $2 to get started and then $17 a month. If that's somebody that you already know, then you could send them this right away as soon as you get your link, once you've invested your $2 and get started. And that's how this would be able to generate you money very, very fast without any real experience or knowledge. But everything that they teach you in the system, as you can see here, they teach you free paid traffic, free traffic systems and paid traffic. So solo ads are the paid traffic method that they're teaching. So if you are completely brand new, like I said, and you have no idea about affiliate marketing and how to promote affiliate links in order to generate revenue for yourself, there's 2 to 3 videos that you can check out here to give you more information on how to do that. Feel free to reach out to me as well, because there is another strategy that I am going to be using to promote this product myself. I've checked out the videos and I've seen the information that's been presented, and it could definitely work and help you generate some money because there's proof of people who've done it before. So feel free to check out those methods and see how they work out for you. There's just more than one way to skin a cat, and we all know that. So what we're going to do is try different ways to promote this offer and get the best results and scale from there. That's the name of the game, okay? So if you guys have any questions, I want you to definitely reach out to me. This is a system that I believe works, and if you look at it like a subscription service, then it'll make sense. And some people may look at the product's information and say, you know, it's not very valuable. It's not given a lot of information that people will want to know. Well, I want to talk to you guys briefly about experts. And the funny thing is, my daughter and I were just reading a book the other day. I was kind of showing her how to make sense of putting words together to make sentences. And, you know, I'm not necessarily an expert in the English language, but I've been speaking the language for so long. And to my daughter, who's 6 years old, I may be an expert to her. But to an English professor who's been, you know, teaching for so long, I'm definitely not an expert to them. So it doesn't matter what your level of expertise is, what you think you may know or may not know. There's still somebody out there that can benefit from the information that you have to present. There's a lot of people that can benefit from the information in this 24-hour profits course. And that's why I feel like if I promote it the right way to the right people, it's going to make an impact in their lives, and they're going to learn something new that they could take away and make better. So I just want to encourage you guys. I'm going to make another video going over this in more detail. So check this out. Sign up if you're interested. It's only $2, nothing huge. and you can see how this thing works, and reach out to me with any questions. You guys have a happy Sunday. We'll talk soon. Peace.